that I will be asking you one question on 24th of June. 25th of July, right? But
Yes.
of course, due to weekends and all, it didn't happen. And you were like, will I be able to understand the code? I just want to at least understand the code first because you were facing lots of issues and all. So today, I think today I should be asking this question as per my commitment and as per my promises. What is your feeling, sir? Now you have to share all your experiences.
Now, since I started, I think big difference, for sure, big difference. And now at least when I see the code, I can just handle it and check what is the error. Yeah, much difference.
Okay. So do you feel that whatever HackNow has promised to you and whatever we have committed, you have achieved only that much, or you have achieved far more than that? That's what we have committed.
Yes, more than expected.
Thank you so much. Love you for this because that's what our vision is, to make people enjoy their ServiceNow journey, to make people independent, to do the things independently, rather seeking anybody to help from the behind, or rather looking out for anybody who will be there sitting by you to help you. So that's our mission, and of course in upcoming more sessions we will, and I will make you more I can say powerful, especially when it comes to writing scriptings. You will just do it in one shot, man. And I believe now also you can do it, right? Today, if I tell you to write a function, declare an object, throw that object, catch it somewhere, you are doing it very smoothly. You were struggling with this keyword, you were struggling with, I can say script include especially, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
how is the feeling on that part?
Yeah, much better. I enjoyed it.
Better?
Yep.
Happy?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, sir. So thank you so much.
Okay,
this.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Perfect. So if we like you to rate us on 10, so how much the rating you will do?
I'm giving to the 9.
Sorry?
9.
Perfect. Sure. Thank you so much for your rating. We will see what the first last 1% is left to me. We'll work on that immediately. So thank you, Srinivas then. Lastly, I would like to know the feedback from your side about today's consultation call.
Yeah, definitely it is a out of 5 because you give a detailed structure about the fee as well the course technical part, and suggest the best course to me right now in the current standards. It's excellent.
Thank you so much. So how much rating you are giving us out of 10?
Out of 10, 10 out of 10.
Okay. Sure then. Thank you so much, Kalyan.